how to use Grubhub credit. If you would like to use Grubhub credit, it is very simple to do so. Now, Grubhub credits are basically called meal credits that is collected over your period of time with your loyalty with Grubhub, right? So as much as you order, that Grubhub credit is going to get increased, and you'll find your credit on the top right hand side, which you can see right beside the catering button right there. So if you have got a $50 credit, you can choose to apply them on your order. Now what you can do is you can simply go to the checkout page. You can see your number of credits that you have, and whenever you go to the checkout page and you're under the payment information, you will see your line of credit that is available. So you can just click on the apply button next to the line of credit, and after you've done that, you'll see under payment information that your credit has been applied. If you want, you can remove it, by the way, but if you don't want, you can see certain amount will be applied, not full but half of some, or how much is available will be applied on that order. Once it's been applied, you can see under the payment on mobile as well, you can see, you can go to your pickup order. Under payment, you'll find your line of credit, which you can just click the apply button to apply them. So this way you will be able to use Grubhub credits. You can do this during the checkout process under the payment information. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.